Hey everybody, Sarah and I are spending a couple of days at the Khaolak Sunset Resort. Come with us and we'll show you the room and take a look around the resort. This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense. Here is the entryway over to the lobby. And there's the check-in lobby area. And over here, and you have a little gift shop with water and snacks and stuff. A little seating area. Yeah, we are in 3005. Let's go inside and take a look around. Of course, you have to put your key in. Bathroom's on the right here. We'll take a look at that. Okay, on the right is a pocket door for the bathroom. Not huge, but it's okay. As usual, sink, toiletries, toilet. It's a shower tub combination with a handheld you can pull down. So, you know, not the greatest in the world, but it's everything you need. Got your safe, tea and coffee making stuff, a little refrigerator, and you have a little closet right here. It's a little outdated, I guess, but it's nice and clean. It's very clean. Desk here, mirror, TV, decent sized bed, a couple of chairs, and our thermostat. So yeah, I mean, not the fanciest place in the world, but it cost us about 1,100 baht, which is about $33 for a night. So really can't complain there. And the view, let's go outside, I'll show you the view. So sliding doors. Got a couple of chairs out here to sit. And the view, I mean, wow, it's nice. Pool down here, chairs you can use, and the in-demand seat. Can't beat that. So this is their little restaurant area. They serve breakfast, lunch, dinner. You know, nothing amazing really, I don't think. Breakfast, they don't start until 9 a.m. So we're actually gonna go get something outside. We're gonna drive up to Khaolak and get something at a place. But I mean, if you wanted to have dinner here, it's a pretty nice view. This is their pool area. It's not huge, but it's okay. And a little area for kids. It's very shallow. These little dolphins actually spit water during the day when they've got them turned on. It's early. And they've got plenty of seating with umbrellas, which is always a plus. And then they also have restrooms up here. I don't know if you can see them. Unfortunately, this place is built into a hill, or a mountain, I guess you could say. So there's actually lots of steps to go up and down to the beach and up to your room. There's no elevator. But, you know, we're in decent enough shape. But if we had our mom with us, or Sarah's mom with us, it would probably be a little more difficult. So we are done here at the Khaolak Sunset Resort. We are actually going to head back to Phuket, our hometown. So thanks for coming along. Be sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about Thailand and our trips around the world.